Melody, come here. Come get Pooh Bear. Come and get Pooh Bear. Come on. Come get Pooh Bear. You don't want those keys. Those keys are boring. There we go. Melody's trying to figure out how to use those legs. This week it's tiptoes. Melody. Over here. There you go. Hi. I like those keys, huh? There's toys all over the room to choose from, and those are the ones you want. Oh, let's see if we can zoom in and get the teeth. Can we see your teeth? Let me see the teeth. Let me see the teeth. Open wide. Open wide. Melody, smile. Melody. Melody. Smile. Smile. Show everybody your teeth. Come on. Come on. Open up. Open up. You're getting closer. Hi. Hi. Oh, where are the teeth? There they are. Almost there. No. Oh. Well, now where are you going to go? You're stuck. Melody. Don't eat the changing table. I don't think that's good for you. Do you need some help? Oh, there you go. Can you give me a big cheese? Give me a big cheese. I want to see those pearly whites. Melody. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi. Oh, found Pooh Bear. Are you tired yet? One heck of a workout. Yeah. I think it's time to say bye for now. It's almost nap time. Can you say bye-bye, everybody? Bye-bye, everybody.